Walang magic cream para sa forever young, pero may tamang science to help you age gracefully and confidently. Hello there, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath. During deep sleep, nag-a-activate ang repair system ng body. Dito nagre-repair ng collagen ang skin. Pero kung stress ka at kulang sa tulog, nagre-release ang katawan ng cortisol, which is the stress hormone. At pag mataas ang cortisol, bumabagal ang skin repair at mas mabilis mag-breakdown ang collagen. Kaya kahit anong ganda ng cream mo, kung kulang ka sa pahinga, hindi rin makaka-recover ng maayos ang skin. Sleep tells your body to heal, and good skincare supports that process. So if you want to age beautifully and gracefully, you need both good rest and the discipline to care for your skin every day. Use skincare that supports your skin's natural night repair para paggising mo, your skin feels firm, glowing, and refreshed. Message me, baka matulungan kita with the right product because graceful aging starts with good sleep and the right science.